Gumby.
Gumby.
Show the camera Gumby. Look, say, look, I have a Gumby. Say hi, Gumby.
Hi, Gumby.
Here, hold him. He's pretty cool. You'll get to watch his video. You've never seen Gumby before. Mama likes Gumby. Honey, you can't come on this side because you're on TV. If you come around to look at it, you won't be there anymore.
It's Manny.
Who's that?
I bet it's Manny.
That's Gumby.
Manny.
Gumby.
I like it.
You like it?
I like it.
You not like it? Why not? Can Tegan have Gumby? Here, Tegan. There's Gumby. Here, hold him. Here, Tegan takes your Gumby instead. She's gonna have Gumby. She's gonna eat Gumby. Oh no, Gumby! Oh no! The giant baby's gonna eat you. Poor Gumby. What's on there, Timber?
My money.
Who's that? It's a fish and a turtle. It's Nemo. Can you say Nemo?
Taylor.
Say Nemo.
And the tunnel Momo.
Momo. Why is he going in there? Who else do you have?
I have bush.
Bears? That's right. Say Care Bears? What's that one?
Barney.
Barney.
Okay. I like Barney.
You like Barney.
Who
else do you have? Who else is over there? Who's in that pile?
I like it.
Oh, stickers of Barney, huh? You gonna take that too, huh? Where are you going?
Bye-bye, man. Bye-bye.
You going bye-bye with Barney? Bye. What about... Who's in these videos? Who's that?
A baby.
Baby, you know who these are. Who are these people?
Papa.
Who's that?
Papa.
What?
Pooh.
Pooh. And who's this? Look at the animals. Look, what's that?
Lion.
A lion? What's a lion say?
Yeah.
What's a lion say?
A Barney.
You want to see Barney? We gotta take a bath. We'll watch Barney tomorrow, okay? Where are you going? Okay, look, you can't see. There's nothing there now. There's just the chair. You're not on TV. There you are.
I'm making my camera.
Yeah, Mom will show you in a minute, okay? And Tegan's having a cow again. What's wrong? Alright. Say thank you, Grandma, Grandpa. Say thank you.
Thank you.